Hey everyone! If you're shopping online and tired of wasting time on failed coupons and missed cashback, this video is exactly what you need. Introducing Coopert, a free AI powered browser extension designed to help you save money automatically with real discounts, cashback rewards, and live price comparisons. When you shop online, Coopert quietly runs in the background. At checkout, it automatically searches for and applies the best available coupon codes, so you never have to waste time testing random codes or wondering if you're getting the lowest price. Cooper works with over 200,000 online stores, including popular names like Amazon, Nike, Walmart, Booking.com, ASOS, and more. It's not limited to just fashion or electronics. It covers a wide range of categories like travel, tech, home goods, beauty, and everyday essentials. But Cooper does more than just find coupon codes. With every eligible purchase, you can also earn cashback, which is collected directly in your Coopert account. Over time, these small cashback amounts can really add up. You can easily withdraw your earnings through PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards, turning your online shopping into real savings. Coopert is designed to work seamlessly with all major web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Microsoft Edge. No matter which browser you prefer, you can enjoy effortless savings through Cooper's smart coupon, cashback, and price comparison features, all running quietly in the background while you shop. Getting started is simple and takes less than a minute. Click the link below to visit Cooper's website. Install the extension with just one click. Shop as usual. Cooper takes care of the rest. Once installed, you'll see the Cooper icon in your browser toolbar. From there, you can explore exclusive offers, cashback opportunities, and a full list of supported stores and categories. Whether you're shopping for fashion, tech, groceries, travel, or gifts, Cooper ensures you always get the best deal possible, effortlessly. Join millions of savvy shoppers who use Cooper every day to save time and money. Install it today and start enjoying smarter shopping. Let's see how Cooper works in action. Suppose I'm shopping for fluffy knitted cardigan at Adidas and I found one for $85. I add it to my bag, and as I head to checkout, Cooper tells me it has found 16 working coupons for this store. I click to apply, and Cooper automatically tests each one to find the biggest savings. Within seconds, it saves me $23.80 on my order. I can either copy the code manually or just let Cooper apply it for me. Here you can see the discounted price after the coupon is applied on it. That's real instant savings using a completely free tool. Let's do another quick example. This time, I'm buying at ASOS a pair of sneakers for $90. I add it to my cart, head to checkout, and here Cooper pops up and shows I can earn up to 3.2% cashback on the same purchase. Cashback usually processes within 15 days, but frequent shoppers often see it confirmed even faster. Once your cashback adds up, you can easily redeem it through PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards, whatever works best for you. After that, Cooper pops up, letting me know there are 13 coupon codes available. I click Apply, and Cooper automatically tests each one. Within seconds, it saves me $13.50 on this order. So here's what Cooper delivers. All-in-one free browser extension, automatic coupons at checkout, real cashback on purchases, smart price comparisons as you shop. You can also download Cooper app from here. Effortless savings, no extra work. Cooper automatically finds discounts, applies the best coupons, and offers cashback. Effortless savings every time you shop. If you want to start saving, click the link below to add Cooper to your browser, and you're all set. If this walkthrough helped you, give the video a thumbs up, Subscribe for more smart shopping tips and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy savings with Coopert.